Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on Call of Duty Mobile with your iPhone. To begin, first enable Bluetooth on your iPhone. Next, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the PlayStation button and the share button for about 3 seconds until the light bar flashes rapidly. Finally, on your iPhone, select DualShock 4 wireless controller from the list of available Bluetooth devices to establish the connection. Once your controller is successfully paired, open Call of Duty Mobile and navigate to the game's settings menu. Within the settings, you will find a dedicated controller tab. Tap on this tab and ensure that controller support is enabled. From here, you can also customize your button layout and sensitivity to match your preferred playstyle, giving you full control over your in-game actions. With your PS4 controller connected and configured, you can now enjoy a more precise and immersive gameplay experience in Call of Duty Mobile. It's important to note that the game's matchmaking system often pairs controller players with other controller players, ensuring fair competition. Remember, while the controller handles most gameplay, some specific in-game menus or interactions might still require you to use your iPhone's touchscreen. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and the PS4 controller can often resolve them. Always ensure your controller has a good battery charge to avoid interruptions during intense matches. For the most stable connection, try to keep your iPhone and controller within a close range, ideally within 10 feet or about 3 meters, minimizing any potential interference for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.